The anime industry is in a crisis, and I am not just talking about a small issue. This is something that could change how you watch anime forever.
やっぱこう今回話を
すでに冬場の過密スペースをホーム深夜を過ぎてからも
If you're an anime fan or just curious about what's happening behind the scene, you need to know this. Remember when new episodes of Naruto, One Piece and Attack on Titan dropped and the entire internet exploded with excitement? Those days might be coming to an end.
Wait, what? No more Naruto marathons? That's like telling me I can't breathe.
Yep, it's not just the quality that's at risk. The entire industry is feeling the pressure, and here is why. The anime industry has exploded over the last decade, but this growth has a dark side. Studios are rushing to meet demand for new episodes, sequels, and spin-offs, pushing animators to their limits.
若干残ってていいかなって思ったらやっぱりなんと数段上の修正が返ってくるんでああ全然ダメだ僕って
Overworked and underpaid, these artists are burning out faster than ever.
他になんかできるかどうかってことですね
他の作品とかだとやっぱ時間がなくて
使う余裕もないようです。自宅に戻るのはどうしてもシャワーを作業は思うように進みません。
The magic that made us stay up all night to binge watch is fading, and it's not just the art that's suffering. With unrealistic expectations, studios are breaking under the weight of constant pressure.
目につきますとですね、こちらとしても何らかの対応を取らざるを得ませんし、最終的には契約の解除という話にも発展していく話。
Now let's talk money. You would think with billions of dollars pouring into anime industry, studios would be thriving. But most of that cash never reaches the animators. Instead, it gets eaten up by streaming platforms, licensing fees, and middlemen. This leaves studio with pennies and creators struggling to keep the lights on.
作ったらかなりお金入るんじゃないですか。
いや1カット4000円なんでそんなにもらえないです。
じゃあ半日だったとしても割に合わなくなる。
そうなんですよね。
すごい世界ですね。
So they're basically the starving artists of our generation, but with way cooler jobs.
Exactly, it's a global problem too, with ripple effects that impact fans worldwide. So if you thought it was just a Japan issue, think again.
Yo, let me tell you something about this anime. This anime is shit.
Surprised at the news that these animators are working crazy hours?
For the Blue Lock PowerPoint presentation, because this is definitely giving the 7 Deadly Still Frames a run for its money.
This is the reality of anime industry and it's pretty bleak, but we can make a difference. Let me know in the comments if you think the anime industry can turn this around or if it's all headed downfall from here. The passion that once fueled this industry is being crushed. Creators are leaving, projects are getting cancelled, and fans are left disappointed. Without the fans and creators, anime as we know it could disappear. If we don't appreciate the hard work that goes into our favorite series, and if creators keep getting pushed out, anime as we know it could become a relic of the past. So what can we do as anime lovers? The best thing we can do is show genuine appreciation for the artists by supporting them directly. Watch anime on legal platforms instead of pirating. These platforms might not be perfect, but they do help fund the content we love.
So, no more pirated sites just because I'm broke? Guess I'll skip that extra Starbucks then.
Right? And trust me, it's worth it. Every bit helps keep the art we love alive. At the end of the day, anime is more than just entertainment. It's a culture that brings us together. We can't take it for granted. So next time you binge watch a series, remember the incredible work that went into it. So let's support the creators, the artists and everyone who brings these stories to life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts below. Together we can help save the industry we all love.